All right, imagine renovating your home only one day to find a utility pole right in the middle of your driveway. And Holly, this story tells a picture, doesn't it?
It sure does. There it is. That's exactly what happened to a Tampa woman, what she's dealing with right now. And she says that Teco at first told her that she would have to pay to move it. Our Fadia Patterson joins us now live from Tampa with more on this story. And Fadia, the homeowner, says this is costing time and money for her.
Right, Rick and Holly, good evening. The homeowner says that she's still not in this home because of this mistake caused by a Teco subcontractor. She says that she's had to pause construction. On a quiet block of East 21st Avenue in Tampa, the reconstruction of this home is taking longer than expected. And the homeowner, Sharia Baker, says she's never seen anything like this. Baker says just as she was about to wrap up construction, a Teco subcontractor did some remodeling of his own, placing a utility pole directly in the center of her driveway, blocking her garage.
I came out and I asked, could that pole go back where it came from? And I was told no.
She says when she reached out to Teco, she was told it would cost her around $4,700 to move the pole back to its original location. The Baker family moved here in 1976. The house carries nearly 50 years of memories.
Especially my mother, who instilled in me to always work hard and to always try and do the right thing in life.
Sharia has pictures from family gatherings to graduations, and that pole which sat for decades on the easement between her and her neighbor's home.
We always took pictures in front of it when I was a kid.
After her mother passed, the home became Sharia's to care for.
They have changed that pole out maybe twice, the same pole twice, and they have put it back in the position where it originally was when I moved here in '76. And all I want is the pole to go back.
She now hopes to complete the rebuild and pass it along to the next generation with nothing standing in the way. And Ms. Baker's wish will be granted. We're told by Teco that they do plan to move this pole back to its original location free of charge. Rick, back to you.
All right, Fadia, thank you so much.